people. Be careful driving. It is crazy out here. Crazy out here. Crazy. Look at him. He's speeding. I going slow. I'm doing 30 miles because they say you must be off the speed and you're supposed to go 65. As long as I get home safe, that's what matters. But be careful, people. It's crazy here in Massachusetts. It's crazy. Crazy here. I don't know if New York get it that bad, but it's crazy. The snow is crazy. Be careful, people. Let's drive safe and make it home safe. I pray, Lord Jesus, each and everybody make it home safe. In Jesus' mighty name. Careful, it's crazy out here. Whoa, look at that nice there, people. Careful. Careful, it's crazy out here. Don't do this what I'm doing too.